Yeah! Now, I hope you're ready for some Friday fun, because today we've got a special treat.
Yep, we welcome to the Burger Kitchen Budgie, Filipino legend and chef behind Apoy. How are you feeling, Budgie?
Getting a bit of GBM PTSD, but we'll be fine. We'll be fine.
He's gloved up and ready to go. The rules are the
one.
same for everyone. You're going to have 10 minutes to make the best burger you can using the standard ingredients that we give everyone. But you also have the chance to win 3 ingredients that you've brought in. Talk us through what you chose.
So I chose spicy banana ketchup, Filipino classic condiment. I bought some pork puffs or chicharrones. For a little Aussie nod, I put some beetroot as well.
Beetroot in a burger, I am here for.
It's a very Australian thing.
I love that.
Try it.
Love that. But to win these, you've got to answer these following questions. You ready?
Yeah, as I'll ever be.
This is Ferdinand Budgie Montoya. He's aged 40 from the Philippines via Australia, and his favourite dish is some sort of fried noodle dish. I'm not going to do these a disservice by trying to pronounce them. He's known for championing Filipino cuisine, and his unique skill is pork whispering. He provided no other context.
First question. You made a Filipino burger in collaboration with Honest Burger, but what was it served with?
It was served with pork puffs.
Yep, I'm going to be honest, we wrote the question before we knew what you were bringing in. It was served with these. Great suggestion.
Right. Let's make it a little bit harder. How about some geography?
Oh, great. Cheers.
How many islands are there in the Philippines? A, 489, B, 7,641, or C, 8,021.
Well, I'm going to go 7,600 and something.
Yeah, he's got it.
Spot on.
He's got his
He
geography
basically had it
nailed.
before you
I
gave him A, B and
know.
C. The question is, can he get 3 for 3?
Oh, here we go.
Which world-famous burger was previously named the Aristocrat and the Blue Ribbon Burger?
No, I'm just going to go Big Mac.
It's Big Mac! He gets 3 out of 3!
Nailed it!
Beetroot, banana ketchup,
If in doubt,
and
Big Mac.
chicharron.
If in doubt, Big Mac.
Let's make a burger.
What's he gonna make?
Right, Budgie, the kitchen is all yours. You've got 10 minutes on the clock.
Yep.
Away you go in 3, 2, 1.
Burger! Right. Meat straight in, seasoning up front.
Yeah. Chill out.
What are you doing?
Just chill out.
It saves making a burger sauce.
So I'm so confused. Explain to us what the hell you're doing.
Yeah, well, I've got the banana ketchup now, so I figured I'm gonna get ketchup in there somewhere. So I figured I'd do it this way.
So you've seasoned the meat with salt, pepper, ketchup, and mustard.
Yeah.
That's a first. I like it.
Flavor.
Dice of onion. Yeah. In, why not?
All right, taste some buns while I'm at it.
It's like Twister.
Are you making 2 burgers, Budgie?
We'll see.
It's looking good.
What's your thinking with the burger mince then?
What do you mean?
Like what? I don't understand. What's going on?
He seasoned it.
It's nice flavour. You like ketchup?
Yeah, I
you
like
like-
all those things.
I don't see what the problem is.
Right. Okay.
Oil into a preheated pan.
It's gonna be a fat burger.
These are some big patties.
Chunky. Looking good. Still intrigued to know where this beetroot's going to go. A very Aussie thing.
Come on, Budgie.
You got this, Budgie! Yeah, Budgie! We love you, Budgie!
Right. Wait.
What is that?
What?
What are you doing?
That's it!
All right, burger sauce. Why not?
He's got his burger buns in the pan. He's got his burgers in. Seasoning throughout. He hasn't used any of his special ingredients yet.
Right, it's coming.
We've got some big burgers in there. I've got a feeling here we're not going super fast here, are we?
No, he's going for quality over speed here, I think, because you're right, a chunky bun.
Finger the mayo!
That's not a thing.
Mayonnaise and pickles. He's used all the same ingredients. They're just not all in the same place. This is where the banana ketchup's coming in.
So, are you going for 2 burgers or a double stack here?
Oh, I haven't figured that out yet.
Oh.
Where's the beetroot going?
In the burger. I don't really know the history, but pretty much corner shop burgers always have beetroot in it.
Is in beetroot just grated into it, or
No, sliced.
just sliced beetroot?
Instead of sliced tomatoes.
Yeah.
We've got a good sizzle. Budgie's taking his time, he's tasting the seasoning. This is not practice we've seen from every chef on the burger challenge.
Oh, lovely
Excellent colour.
How you feel this going, Budgie?
I think it's all right, you know?
Just a construction job, everything's under control.
Chunky beetroot, like it.
Are you cheesing it, or have you got enough going on with your
Nah,
sauce?
definitely cheese. I mean, burger without cheese, come on.
Some
Come on.
cheese.
Just checking.
Cheers, man, come on.
Boy, they smell
Looking
amazing.
Right.
Great colour, the seasoning within, the toasted buns. Not toasted one side, toasted both sides.
And perfectly done.
It's looking good. Banana, ketchup, mayo and pickle.
Lettuce in the bottom, soak up the juices.
He's taking his time to do a double. I like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey?
No, he's going
no.
beetroot instead. Straight to the bun.
Oh, you're not going to make the cheese?
No.
Residual.
Yeah, double cheese.
Here.
well played.
Looking good.
Strong. Oh God, stand back! Stand back!
Why are you working?
Oh.
What would you like?
Like the cheese?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Thanks, mate. Melt the cheese and the board, that's perfect.
Yeah.
It's a bit
Oh,
smoky.
well done.
Looking good. And then the beetroot sticks to the cheese. Are the chicharrons on the side, or are they going in?
They're going on the side, mate.
Excellent.
Stick them in.
Go in. Go in.
It's Budgie.
Come on, Budgie.
Budgie's burger.
I'll tell you what. This will work.
Oh, yeah.
He's thinking
Need
on
some
the
glue.
fly.
Yeah, they've got to go in the burger. They can't go on the side.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Budgie.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh no! Yeah! Oh no! Yeah! Oh!
Put your knife through it.
That's a straw. No, it's not.
Korean chopstick.
Yeah!
Right, one beetroot works better.
Ring the bell when you're happy. Yes!
There you go.
Excellent time, and presumably because there's two of them, we have to half the time.
I think
Yeah, that's for sure. That's what's my...
Get them into the sexies.
If you're enjoying this, there are some small things you can do that make a big difference to us. Like the video. Subscribe if you aren't. Click the notification bell and select all. Thanks.
Well, Budgie,
flipping
Yes.
heck.
epic,
Look at that.
epic.
Would you mind cutting your burger in half?
Oh, you're one of those people.
I'm afraid we've become those people.
All right.
Solid cut and a solid cross section. Let's have a look.
I mean, the chicharrons may be a bit of a challenge.
I love it. I love the extra textures.
The colour,
Also-
the cheese, the burger, the crunch. I mean, so intrigued to taste the patty.
It's a good-looking, refreshing-looking.
I was going to say,
burger.
it's got lots of colour and
Yeah.
freshness in it. Cheers.
Right, cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
Whoa.
I've never had beetroot in a burger like that, but it's so good, not just for the colour, but that earthy sweetness with the meat.
Wow. I adore the beetroot. So much, I'd say, I think it's my favourite burger of the series so far.
Oh,
I
what?
was just going to say, there's a little bit of warmth
That's-
coming from that banana ketchup, but otherwise it's just such a and then the crunch of the chicharron.
There's so much going on in the burger. You seasoned it right up front, which I was always told not to do, but you've done it, and it's creating something completely different to everybody else.
The ketchup and mustard and the patty. And then look, even right into that last mouthful.
Got a bit,
Lettuce,
got a bit of
beetroot.
sweetness into in the patty as well. Happy with that.
It's a juicy patty, and you still got the char and the colour.
I'm happy with that. I don't think I'd change anything, to be honest.
No,
No,
there's two things I'm taking away, and that's whack the mustard and the ketchup into the
Yeah.
mince. That's absolutely great. And beetroot is the way forward, and I didn't think I'd say that. Absolutely no doubt that is delicious and worthy of going on the board. and I can reveal that it was definitely sub 10 minutes, so it does make the board.
Nice.
But first, we give you time. Do you have a name for it?
I'm going to call it, based on that comment he said, it's possibly the best one he's had.
Possibly.
Possibly. I'm going to say hard to beat.
Hard to beat. Double E.
Double E.
Double
Yeah.
E.
Nice,
See what I did
nice.
there?
Like
See
it.
what I did that? Yeah,
Like
cool.
it.
I like it, and I like it so much that it's going to make it onto the board with a time of 8 minutes and 15 seconds.
That's strong.
Solid
That's
score.
strong.
Tasty burger. I'm going back seconds.
Nice.
No, thank you so much for
No
coming
worries.
down. If you want to go check out Budgie, go check him out in the description box below. Follow him on all the socials. All his food tastes that flipping good. Well done, mate. Well done, brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you for having me,
very
man.
much, Chef.
Thanks, guys. That was a load of fun.